Di Papagero. Offensive foul. Labas na po, labas na, labas. Labas na po, labas.
Putol.
Labas na po. Labas.
Wala na.
Labas na po, labas na. Labas na po, labas. Labas na po. 3 minutes and 22, 14-13, 1 point lead by Team D. Team D. Labas na po, labas na. Three minutes. Oras. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Lasol, labas ako. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. 14-13. 2 points. Christian Diabao. Wow, 14-13. 2 minutes and 41. Last one na po. 14-13. Last one na po. Three. Jacqueline Tama, Team Picor. 16-14. Labang na ang Team E. Bang by Jacqueline. 2 minutes and 10. Foul. 2 minutes and 10. Shout out kay Idol Lebron. 2 minutes. 2 points. Then lang, 116. Jacqueline. No good. Foul. Labas na po. All 16. 1 minute and 43 seconds. All 16. All 16. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Remaining on the clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Aray ko.
10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. 3. No good. Di pa by King. Christian King. Good one. Good. 18-16. 18-16. Good ball. Good.
Grabe.
1 minute and 2 seconds. Good ball. No battery. Lamat na po. Good ball. 1 minute and 2. Step back. No good. Dito kay Jacqueline. 56 seconds. 18-16. 18-16. Wow, laban na po. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. 38 seconds. 18-16. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. 3. No good. Wow. 32 seconds. 32 seconds. 10 seconds yata. 18-16. Dalawa lamang. Team E. Good ball. Laban na po. 8 seconds to shoot.